Greetings, this is Jeff Corpenning. It's August 22nd, 2013. I put in a records request and got it promptly from the Licking County Sheriff's Office. This is in regards to what they're calling Incident Investigation Report, number 13-019556. Time reported was 8/20/2013, 9:30, and that would be a.m. I also received a recording from the record request of the call made into the office there by Benjamin Hupp. On the incident information here, I've scanned it and put it up here. The officer was 3030 Van Balen Christopher A. Incident location says 15490 National Road, Brownsville, Ohio 43033. And before I get too far into this, the case status is clearly marked closed and cleared. Case status on the other side is also marked closed next to Supervising Officer 1374 Johnny R. Loy. At a work time day in Township Park on a project for the flagpole, putting a concrete pad in, Mr. Hupp said he was making a call to the sheriff. I didn't speak with the sheriff, or he didn't ask me any questions. Just continued working when he did show up on the job site. But according to this, the charges listed, description says disturbance, and it says location type is field or woods. Claims here that the supposed victim is an individual, same person that made this call that I'll play after here. Benjamin C. Hupp, white male, date of birth 9/5/1983, age 29, of 15890 National Road, Southeast Brownsville, Ohio 43033. Says self-employed, home number 740-405-2628. Business phone 740-405-2628. On the second page, investigation report. Okay, on here it says offenders, and it lists an individual, has my name, which is, I'll note, spelled wrong. Officer didn't speak with me about this. Apparently he gathered this information from some other source. Says white male, has my date of birth 2/20/64, age 49, 5'9", says 185 pounds, 13637 National Road, says Glenford, Ohio, which is wrong. Should say Thornville. Says 43739, which is also not the right zip code. It does have the right phone number, 740-787-1517. And there's a narrative here for what the officer, Mr. Van Balen, wrote. It's on 8/20/13 at 09:44, I was dispatched to 15490 National Road in reference to a disturbance amount the Bowling Green Township trustees. Upon arrival, I spoke to Ben Hupp. Ben advised that he and another Bowling Green Township trustee, identified as Jeffrey Corpenning, got into a verbal argument over a project that they were working on at the Bowling Green Township playground. Ben advised that during their argument, Jeffrey threatened to, quote, kick his ass, unquote. Ben asked that the incident be documented. Nothing further at this time. C. Van Balen, number 91. So here is the call made by Benjamin Hupp about this attention that he wanted today.
Sheriff's Office.
Hi there, how are you today?
Good.
Hey, this is Ben Hupp from Bowling Green Township.
Mm-hmm.
Can you dispatch a deputy out here to make a report?
What's the problem?
I'm sorry.
What's the problem?
There was some harassment going on, verbal harassment down here, threatening comments made.
What's your name?
My name is Ben Hupp. Bowling Bowling Green Township trustee. We're working at the community park today, right in Brownsville, right on 40.
Well, where do you want the officer to go?
Right to the community park if they can.
Do you have an address there?
I believe it's 15490. It's right in Brownsville. It's the community park, though.
Is it Brownsville Road or?
No, it's on Route 40.
National Road?
Yep, it's near the intersection of Brownsville Road and Route 40, if you're like Brownsville Road north towards 16.
That's the Bowling Green Township?
Park, yep.
And your phone number?
740-405-2628.
Are the people still there?
Yes, they are.
All right, we'll get someone down there.
How long do you think it'll be?
He's just south of Newark, so.
It's not an emergency. They don't need to run light and siren, you know. They come out of, it's not a priority. I want to make a report.
All righty.
Okay, thank you.
Not even doing anything.